Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Fallon. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pets allowed and a bar. Featuring free Wi-Fi, Super 8 Fallon offers pet-friendly accommodation in Fallon. Every room is fitted with a private bathroom. There is dry cleaning services at the property. Reno Tahoe Airport is 52.2 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.